What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Alan. I was just doing a little bit of studying right here. Like this. Just doing some studies. I told you I just doing some homeschooling a little bit. Yes. Just relaxing on this place, though it's a little bit cold. Alright. Yeah. What's happening? Alan Vlogs. Keep watching, like, subscribe for more of these videos. Alright. Yeah, just trying to keep up with my career. Nothing much. It's a little bit tough, you feel me? Yeah. But it is what it is. It's a hard career. And the arithmetic. Okay. Yes. That's what I'm up to. What you are up to? We are in the month of July 2026. Yes. How are you keeping up with the life? How are you keeping up with life? Tell me in the comments. Okay. Yeah. Alan Vlogs. I try to do a haircut. I can see my hair is a little bit unkept. I need to do a haircut very soon. Alright. I just trying to get serious with my studies. Trying to get serious with life. Nothing much. I don't know about you. That's me. Okay. I'm here alone. What? She's crazy. Yeah. Alan Vlogs. Keep watching. Like, share, subscribe. Yep. They say education is the key to success. Doing some studies, as you can see. Doing some studies right here. Some calculations. This is my crib I drew it. This was July 18th. Doing some calculations of the building construction thing. These rafter calculations. I'm just trying to perfect and get to understand, because this is serious. Alright? This is a serious thing. This is a crazy thing. Yep. Alan Vlogs. Roof truss to build a log cabin like the one I'm living in. Alright. 3x2, 2x2, 6x1, walling. These are the timber used. Alright. The tools needed: tools, hammer, nails, saw, level, plumb bob, tape measure. Yeah. No, I'm perfect on the plumbing works. Game daro wani sadanda. Game daro wani sadanda. Alan Vlogs. Game daro wani sadanda. Game daro wani sadanda. Yup. It's time to get serious. Wow. Do something. Do you know what this is? Some bird nests right here. Look. This is where birds living. They are all over here. Look, I don't know how craft these birds are. Do you see how they make these? They are so talented, the birds. They are so talented. Yeah, they can be able to make their own habitat. Look. Look. They are so talented. Look how they are. They are so talented, the birds. They make their own habitats. Now we build. We are building their living for humans. Birds, they build for theirs and their kids. Do you understand? It's crazy. There are so many above me in this tree. In this tree right here, as you can see. There are so many. Let me take a photo. Look. Yep. Alan Vlogs.